One of the great things about considering a SpinOlution wheel is the many different sizes of bobbins that you can have on different sized wheels. Some of our wheels have modular heads, which means you can actually switch out the entire top half of the spinning wheel to change from one size bobbin to the next. Other wheels like our B series only come with one size bobbin, so it's important to make sure you make the right decision. The first size we have is our 4-ounce bobbin, which is the smallest, and this is definitely a smaller bobbin, and it would be mostly recommended for worsted or thinner yarn, but it is very quick, which is a great companion for our Golden World technology, letting you spin things incredibly thin or fine fibers with ease. So this is the 4-ounce bobbin. In comparison, this is an 8-ounce bobbin. And you can definitely see the size difference there. The 8-ounce bobbin, I think, is a great middle size. It's definitely still small enough and light enough that, it can handle any size yarn very easily. It holds a good amount of fiber, but it's definitely still a, more modestly sized bobbin. And the 8-ounce bobbin would be on the King Bee or one of the modular style, whereas the 4-ounce bobbin is going to be the standard that comes on the Pollywog or the Queen Bee, or you can get a modular head for extra fine yarn for our modular wheels. The next size up is our 16-ounce bobbin, and you can see that this one is much larger. The 16-ounce bobbin can easily handle any sort of bulky art yarn, or all the way down to lace weight, or if you were wanting lots of yardage. So the 16-ounce bobbin is definitely a large size bobbin. This is what comes standard on the Worker Bee. Any of our modular heads, you can definitely get the 16-ounce option. So here you see the 16, you see the 8, and then you see the 4. The 32-ounce bobbin is the largest size bobbin you see in this picture in comparison to the 4, the 8, and the 16. The 32-ounce bobbin, this size is ideal for the production of bulky yarn, or if you just really need large amounts of yardage, if you're wanting really big skeins where you don't have to weave the ends in. So those are great for people that like to spin for extra big projects or for extra big yarn. This bobbin size works on the Echo, the Hopper, the Monarch, or the Firefly, and it's a very popular size. So you would want to get the modular head option for either of those wheels for the 32-ounce bobbin. In comparison, our largest bobbin is the 64-ounce bobbin as seen here on a Firefly. This size is exclusive to SpinOlution, so we're the only company that currently has a bobbin this size, and it is amazing for production spinning, for if you really need a large bobbin for very, very large lock yarn or bulky yarn, or just production spinning of lots and lots of yardage. This 64-ounce size you can get on either the Monarch or the Firefly. So this here, you can see the 64-ounce bobbin, and you would just want to choose either the Monarch or the Firefly and then get the 64-ounce head option.